This is Matthias Lindhorst from 7th C. We're here in Seoul, the mining city. Matthias, what do you think of the city so far?
Well, the city is a really beautiful city. I think that it's really colorful. It has a beautiful landscape. And it has a lot of constructions.
Uh-huh.
I learned a lot about it.
What did you learn that you didn't know before? For example, about the people that worked here.
The miners were they are hard workers. They spent the most of the time in the mines doing really hard work. They really cared about their houses. They had to do a lot of work, like going to the mines, extract the copper.
And what about the Americans that lived here?
The Americans that live here founded the city. They made everything that is now here. They have more luxury than the lowest ranks. They have more luxury. They have discounts. They made everything. They have more swimming pools. They have more things to have fun, cultural centers. They have their own.
As far as I'm concerned, they have their own school as well.
Yes, they have their own
separate from the rest of.
Yes, they have their own teachers, their own materials. They're all from North America.
Okay.
I think that's it.
That's it. Okay. Thank you, Matthias.